Maplewood Toyota, Minnesota's #1 volume dealer in 2021, welcomes your interest in one of our great vehicles that comes equipped with chrome bumpers,
air conditioning, front dual zone AC, 4.1 rear axle ratio, 4-speaker audio system, side airbags, anti-lock braking, fold-down split rear seat, front and rear anti-roll bars, rear step bumper, and much more. From sales and finance to service and parts, Maplewood Toyota's team members stand ready to serve. Visit us today. We look forward to meeting you.